Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others struggle to make progress? The secret could be something as simple, yet profound, as visualization. Today, we're diving deep into the power of visualization and how it can help you achieve your goals, no matter how big or small. By the end of this video, you'll understand why visualization isn't just a feel-good concept but a science-backed strategy for success. So, stick around, and let's unlock the power of your imagination to shape your reality. Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's a focused mental exercise where you picture your goals as if they've already been achieved. Athletes use it to perfect their performance. Entrepreneurs use it to envision successful ventures. And everyday people can use it to improve anything from relationships to health and career. But how does this really work? It's not magic, it's science. When you visualize a goal, your brain activates the same neural pathways it would if you were physically doing the task. This phenomenon is called mental rehearsal, and it primes your brain to perform better when the real moment comes. Essentially, visualization bridges the gap between intention and action by preparing your mind for success. Now, let's break down how you can harness the power of visualization with practical, actionable steps. Start by setting a clear, specific goal. The more vivid and detailed your goal, the better. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like for you. Is it getting a promotion? Launching your own business? Running a marathon? Write down your goal and be as specific as possible. Clarity is key because your mind needs a clear target to focus on. Once your goal is set, create a mental picture of achieving it. Close your eyes and imagine the moment of success. Where are you? What do you see, hear, and feel? Use all your senses to make the experience as vivid as possible. For instance, if your goal is to give a TED Talk, picture the stage, hear the applause, and feel the confidence in your voice. This multisensory approach makes the visualization more impactful. Next, practice your visualization regularly. Consistency is crucial. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals. Morning and evening are great times because your mind is naturally more receptive. Think of it as mental exercise. It's not about doing it once, it's about building a habit. Combine visualization with positive affirmations. As you picture yourself achieving your goal, repeat affirmations that reinforce your belief in your abilities. For example, say, "I am confident and capable of achieving my dreams." This positive reinforcement strengthens your mindset and keeps you motivated. Visualization isn't just about seeing the end result, it's also about visualizing the process. Imagine yourself taking the steps needed to reach your goal. If you want to run a marathon, picture yourself training each day, overcoming challenges, and gradually improving. This helps prepare you mentally for the journey, not just the destination. It's important to stay realistic and grounded. Visualization is a tool, not a shortcut. Pair it with actionable steps and hard work. For example, if you're aiming to improve your grades, visualization can boost your confidence and focus, but you still need to study effectively. Visualization enhances your efforts, it doesn't replace them. Leverage tools to make your visualization even more effective. Vision boards are a popular choice. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goal and place them on a board you can see daily. Seeing these visuals keeps your goal top of mind and reinforces your commitment. Another tool is guided visualization. You can find audio tracks or apps that walk you through visualization exercises. These can be especially helpful if you're new to the practice or find it hard to focus. They guide your thoughts, helping you create a vivid mental picture. One fascinating aspect of visualization is its ability to reduce anxiety. By mentally rehearsing scenarios, you can prepare for challenging situations and feel more in control. For example, if you have a big presentation, visualize yourself speaking confidently and handling questions with ease. This practice helps reduce nerves and boosts your performance. Visualization also enhances your ability to recognize opportunities. When you're focused on a goal, your brain becomes more attuned to anything that can help you achieve it. This phenomenon is called the reticular activating system, or RAS. It's why you suddenly notice things that align with your goals, like networking events or resources you might have overlooked before.